How to delete a poll on Facebook Messenger. So if you have created a poll on some group and you want to delete it, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have opened up to a group where I have created a poll. So if you press and hold over the poll, you won't be able to see any pop-up or option for deleting. So in order to delete it, you just have to tap upon the I option at the right upper corner, and if you scroll a little bit, here you won't be able to see any option for deleting the poll or something like that. So the thing is, in order to delete a poll from your view, you need to delete the whole conversation. For that, simply tap upon the three dotted vertical line in the right upper corner, and you can go for delete conversation in this section. And by doing that, all of the conversations will be deleted, and also the poll you have created will be deleted from your view. So this is how you delete a poll on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.